Ejabusia Kwesi Pratt Jnr. Wabeka nsɛm bi afa ɛka Bank of Ghana Governor abo. Na ɔka ne Ghana for se papa we nya atwom. Kwesi Pratt nya atwom, de nya atwom sɛm no ɛwɔ soro. Bɛma nkyere bu no akyere wadwene ɛde ama me. De ntia Ghana for ɛka dan sɛm no. Aha ipenya block media. Mesro say ni di mo. Oba like video no da ma bro subscribe button, so ba click notification corner latest update. Abakyere wadwene da ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Oba so a no chef for ɛnya bi ahwe. Enti ba fa nkwa che kakra. Oba ka ya under MPP. Na enipa a ɔte so ɔte adwa so as Bank of Ghana Governor or trainee or that Bank of Ghana ano Dr. Ernest Addison ono adaku for the appointed no 2017 as Bank of Ghana Governor or adwuma throughout the 8 years. 2023 and the financial statement ebaye how or mine is city sika semne how is sika sem bibiasi called the year 2023 yade baye na say ye ko hwemu no na there were some laws sinkitinkiti bi near the ade na ye call equity because ye call equity means say we for total asset of the year total asset now for or liabilities every mo it liability can be shareholders fund any other ade o titiri ni na free ma de be ka no eno ene ye wo net equity eno ene ye wo equity it the year 2023 no net equity ebaye next abe negative figures of about 58 billion Ghana cedis. Next na ano eshe sika no eso. At that time no the NDC government mounted pressure on the then Bank of Ghana governor. That time no in some way ana to force in ekanye.
We in the NDC saw the red flags and have consistently warned of the mismanagement of the financial sector by the governor of the central bank and his team of incompetent deputies. This mismanagement was anchored on the jaundiced supervision by Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, who is the brain behind the MPP's economic mismanagement team. This report depicted the catastrophic decline of the Central Bank of Ghana into a bottomless pit. The report revealed the following astonishing facts. 1. The Bank of Ghana recorded a staggering loss of 60.8 billion Ghana cedis, which is equivalent of $6 billion US. This is twice the amount we are to receive from the recent IMF bailout. 60 billion Ghana cedis, representing $6 billion US, meaning this is twice the amount we'll be asking the IMF to give to us. Countless occasions that the Bank of Ghana has been on a dangerous trajectory, and indeed, it has now become a crime scene with the dire consequences for us all. Fellow countrymen and women, after the inept and clueless finance minister overborrowed and got Ghana locked out of the capital market due to our unsustainable debt obligations, the NPP government chose the easy, reckless, lazy, and criminal path of printing money. Dr. Ernest Addison, who is now known as the printer of money, has conspired with members of economic mismanagement team, led by Alhaji Dr. Bawumia and the inept finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta, aka One Program, One Bond, to destroy Ghana's central bank. After this dastardly act of overlending to the government by the central bank, they then proceeded to do the unthinkable. And the unthinkable is to write off a whopping 48.4 billion Ghana cedis, about half of Ghana's government indebtedness to the central bank, without parliamentary approval. This is illegal and criminal, and the NDC members of parliament will not allow this to pass. In fact, we will resist this. Directors' remuneration alone, this represents about 87% increase over the previous year's expenditure. Directors' remuneration, 8.6 million Ghana cedis. If you are to compare this to the previous year, this represents 87% increase over the previous year. This simply means that Ghanaians were charged a mismanagement fee to deliver the collapse of the central bank. The Bank of Ghana further claimed to have spent a colossal 357.9 million Ghana cedis on banking supervision expenses for the year 2022 alone. The report further disclosed that the Bank of Ghana spent a whopping 67.9 million Ghana cedis on computers expenses alone, whilst communication expenses also amounted to 32 million Ghana cedis. Communication alone, just to meet the press, they spent 32 million Ghana cedis for 1 year, the year 2022. The report further disclosed that an undisclosed expense of 287.8 million Ghana cedis was paid, undisclosed.
Atufas Gwaka say man no on resign. Na ontimi nkoso emmo man ne kasa. This is what Sami Jamfi said.
Sami, Bank of Ghana yede. Me question any, ye go.
Kwadwo, msa asɛm a aba abeto ho no. Enye asɛm ketwa. Na mepɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ya no pay nyinaa no. Emfa ho ne wo party awo no. E wo so hu sɛ wo ye Ghana ni de di kan. Enti anope ma ɔman Ghana ɛho dɔ eni kan hia ho enkyɛn wo party ho dɔ. Na wo de ti asɛm a ye ka no sɛ to asomu a wankasa obehu. Sɛ to asomu a wankasa obehu. Because you see emra so sɛ Ghana for ye ya no kro na ye kasa as Ghana for. Because the air no is about Ghana ye maya di pa bonefo amambofo bi abopo se omo pese minkumunya ne omo sika ni brinti omo bebo man no oman ne bebo so omo mfa ho
There be omo fa.
na se ne nyemesi kɔ no oman no abo awia ne sa na se yanhwe yi a enyema bedi agu pansam ama ye nyinaa no ya sofa. Emma say NDC for me kwa be threat Bank of Ghana governor say NDC eba abemu a anytime bia NDC be any power bia no he will come and account for this.
And I want to tell Deloitte and Touch that we are paying attention to its work at the Bank of Ghana and that it should apply the full impact of the regulatory violations. They cannot go and do this type of work. And I want to tell Dr. Addison that in future we will subject these numbers to value for money audits. We will understand how it is that it is reasonable to spend 33 million on communication. How reasonable it is for you to spend 97 million on travels. We will perform a value for money audit of the finances of the Bank of Ghana. But I want to call on Parliament to exert its influence and undertake the appropriate supervisory role.
So, first of all, you know, in the IMF document, they stated that it should be phased out.
Yes,
so
but the PS government does not agree with them.
So, and that's the mistake they are making. You see, the gold purchase program and all the hula baloo about it, all you are trying to do is you want to increase your reserves.
Yeah.
And remember, in terms of seniority, dollar reserves are far better than gold reserves.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Because if you need to do certain government payments, blah, blah, you don't have enough dollars in your account as a country, what do? You have to sell your gold. Selling gold is not something you do within minutes. Okay, so in terms of liquidity, dollar reserves, euro reserves are preferred. Now, it is true that the gold reserves for a long time were low. So you can augment it, that is fine. But what they are doing now, one of the problems, and which is a line when you look into Bank of Ghana's financial statements, you know, there's something they have there called exchange losses. You know, it's contributing to the losses they are making. So there's no efficiency. You know, so whereas they said we are increasing gold reserves or whatever, how about the cost in terms of liquidity management that they are incurring? So our point is that do things efficiently. Gold has a lot of high demand. You can export it and sell. Who says you can't sell your gold? You know, but first of all, embrace fiscal consolidation, you know, make sure macroeconomic stability becomes entrenched, you know, accelerate your exports, you know, the value addition to your top 3 exports. That's where you earn dollars. You understand?
At that time, na Bank of Ghana governor Dr. Ernest Addison eka se there be how am say dey ma eye politics na more man no munya because Bank of Ghana it should be semi-autonomous entity. It was say an independent body. It needs say amonyasem that time Kwesi Pratt Jnr. Echo mount a podium and some way no can.
What else paints the picture of the situation in which we find ourselves today? We are dead broke. When we repay debts, when we service debts and pay public sector workers, we cannot buy a bottle of water. That is the state of the Ghanaian economy. But you know, friends, all of us have been here. All of us have heard the different arguments and so on. The Electoral Commission messes up. If you complain, they come and say, we are independent. Bank of Ghana messes up. When you complain, their refrain is that we are independent. All of these constitutional bodies, when they mess up, their excuse is that they are independent. Independent of what and from what? That's the question we should be asking. Is there a constitutional body that can act against the interests of the people of Ghana? Certainly no. There shouldn't be any constitutional body that is above the people of Ghana. So all of these institutions, Bank of Ghana, Electoral Commission, NCCE, and so on, are subject to the will of the Ghanaian people, and their independence does not matter. Their independence does not give them powers above those that are expressed in the sovereignty of Ghana. Now, what is happening? There are some things that I can never understand. Maybe the academics and lawyers and so on can understand. We elect a government. The leader of that government then decides to appoint somebody to go to the Bank of Ghana to serve the interests of the people of Ghana. And all of a sudden, we are told that those who were elected and mandated by the people of Ghana cannot tell the governor what to do. What nonsense is that? And we have allowed this to persist. And we defend it. And we justify it. We elected a president. We will elect another president very soon. We will keep electing presidents. Those presidents cannot be subordinate to any of the appointees. And we must make that point quite clear. This nonsense, absolute nonsense, of the independence of the Bank of Ghana and its governor and so on must be thrown into the waste paper basket, must be thrown into the dustbin. It has no relevance to our issue. In whatever we do, it is the will of the people which must matter. In whatever we do, it is that taxi driver, that nika operator, that chopper operator, it is their will, their interest, which must move us forward, and not the interest of some God-forsaken academics whose only boast is that they went to Harvard and they have doctorates in economics and so on. Nonsense. Why? All of those universities and all of those degrees have not prevented the city from losing value. From 4 cedis, 20 pesos to $1. Today, we are exchanging the city at 12 cedis to $1. No Harvard degree managed to stop this. So don't waste our years with your Harvard degree. We don't care.
And what you say, Master, the Bank of Ghana governor can when you say no. Won't mean because what about mine can I can was saying you want to be an independent and then the work can that's actually the then Bank of Ghana governor. Fast forward any trouble in this area in 2024. And what now? About 4 days ago, Anna Bank of Ghana governor, the new Bank of Ghana governor, now Mahama Eman appointment, you know. Dr. Johnson Esiama edit the financial statement for the year 2025 or the buy. I say or the buy. There's a go here no. Na say oh mu a. Yeah comparison. 2024 no. 2024 no a car, operational loss na a 9.4 billion Ghana cedis. All right. 9.4 billion new Ghana cedis. So old quantities can more about 94 trillion. 94 trillion. But share 2025 for now. Net loss, there's an operational loss here. Or minor boka 15.9 billion. 15.9 billion. That 15.9 billion, no, emu about 9.4 billion a year loss on gold purchasing program. Some different gold board. Yeah, to gold near the gold purchasing program. No, about minor 9.4 billion. And I'm saying, go net equity. Just say your total equity. Your equity, when you get to equity, offer total asset. Now, I subtract all liabilities every month. It can be shareholders fund, any other. What thing you feel, the back no, and no, your equity. Have you go net equity? I will say a negative figure of 93 billion new Ghana cedis. 93 billion. Just say your toy, your hoodie, you know, cross you trade to your car still. Or minus at the 93 billion. Or minus boka 93 billion. So what time you know the tutor you be still? Yes, at the can. Hey, hello, and a minority for started some accusations. We said they be there. Sanity there. Bank of Ghana Governor Johnson say me more money case on step it down. Any other they on step it down. Emana pressure were mounted on him. Maybe call on gold board say mungu gold board because of first trial 2025 that's what boka 9 billion. And then for so many was young gold board any other day. I was I'm so I'm a Kwesi Pratt abekasa. Now where is Kwesi Pratt eka?
Bank of Ghana is supposed to be independent of government. You are right. Exactly.
Suppose, but is it?
The Bank of Ghana, according to our laws, regulations, and so on, does not take instructions from government. When it comes to its operations, it is independent or supposed to be independent. And in your politicians, say, "Yeah, breso, ekoye, muma breso, ankoye, yeah, breso, ankoye, muma breso, ekoye, ni adeno." Politicians, one more catch is a sash saying, "Oh, no one this one now." One more catch.
That's obvious.
And the idea to Musa Shaya, ya said that ye send your bay, sika 7 beko ye. Politicians in this one, ya jan to Musa. And the engine to Musa as woman. And the Kwame has sent me brain make. Sir, parties me now. And she say, yes, say, and fan fee sika, and Bank of Ghana and fan regulating sika, and the woman this would be. And I am sorry, me and Quay, I send me.
When you say a press conference, or send a Bank of Ghana, but majority of parliament, and a minority super to do.
I can't know as my maker. If I'm who say, if I'm who bang, because the Bank of Ghana is supposed to be independent.
But is it?
Say, yeah, say, independent, yeah. And the Mufasum Bobo, who I knew who for Quayako. And only hear me decline. I did decline PENYAH. We have a say tree casa, and I say a casa. Now some say a mood, a mupi. I can't keep away. Kwame, when in I'm saying, when it is a media, I'm sorry, and I come and one and in here. Yeah, I carry my sun class. Oh, saying I mean it. Okay. Kwame, when in here? And was true and free, no yet Manesika.
Yeah.
Now, Sikana Menyan, may be quack or talk spectacles, much as any of them which me can't be. I don't know a couple.
There is only one.
Ain't he? Sagana, my Yasika, Yakopesika, I call it my dear Konesika. Near say, I dear way, anyway, near dear person in this Sikano York. Na se diskano koyo a den na eyeka
enne Kwesi Pratt eka treye say Bank of Ghana should be an independent body. we should stop political interferences. But 2024 to 2023, the then Bank of Ghana governor and the Kufuor or the financial statement a report ya na wabo kakakra ne kadokra enuru we yenya Kwesi Pratt Jnr na be ka kire ye se Bank of Ghana governor eka se was Bank of Ghana an independent body nkwase asem no keka na wonyai enne Kwesi Pratt eka kire se we ukobi da Ghana first we nya atwom Ghana for me say Kwesi Pratt we nya atwom man ni nya atwom or a double standard or a double standard because asem kro na obi de wo kan wi foforo aba so o kan wi foforo na aba kro no eso sene de that time o kan ye like come on ye chechere wo man na say ye protective political party bi e your man na ye chechere ana say ye force ye ho by force ama party bi animunyam like I don't get it ye chechere wo man na say ye ma party bi animunyam say party anim be nyam ntia chere wadwe ma me e wo comment section I PENYAH Block Media background.